To begin, navigate to the Admin module and select the Units, Users, and Roles tab. Before setting field-level permissions, you need to make sure that you have your user roles set up for the different types of users. Once you've configured your roles, navigate to the Fields and Forms tab and click Create New to create a new custom field or to access an existing field. If you are creating a new field, then after naming and selecting your field type, click Edit Permissions to configure the permissions for your new field. There are 3 options when configuring field permissions. The first is Full Access. Users based on any role with full access to the field will be able to enter and change values in the field. This is, of course, subject to any other update restrictions imposed by their role. Users based on roles with read-only access will be able to see the field but not update it. Users based on a role with no access to a field will not see the field at all. For those users, it is as though the field does not exist. Now that your field is created and permissions are added, navigate to your record form to add the field. Once you've added your field to your form, click Publish to save your changes. To get a global look at all your field permissions by record type, navigate to the Field Permissions to see a list of all of the permissions for custom fields by role. Select a role from the User Role dropdown and you will see a list of your custom fields with the permissions assigned to them for that role.